Welcome back to the channel. Now we need to solve some of the questions that are related to trigonometry, right? So here we have another question. If secant 4 is equal to cosecant a minus 20 degrees, so this is an angle, and where 4a is acute angle, and find the value of a. As we have previously solved the question was something like tan and cot instead of secant and cosecant. So now we will solve it. Firstly we will write secant 4a is equal to secant 4a by secant 4a. I'll write it once again. Secant 4a is equal to cosecant a minus 20, and this can be written in the form of 90 minus theta, as I have said you. 90 minus secant theta can be written as cosecant 90 minus theta. This is 4a, and here we have cosecant a minus 20 degrees. So this cosecant gets cancelled. 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20 degrees, and if we take 4 on that side, it gets 5a, and if we take 20 on this side, it gets 90 plus 20. So directly I'll write 90 plus 20 is 110, right? So you don't need to guys skip steps, you need to write steps. So a is equal to 110 by 5, and 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. So we got the answer as a is equal to 22 degrees. So this is how we solve this question, and we move to the next question. So if you guys like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and do comment below. If you have any doubt, please do suggest some of the topics that you feel important. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.